British Secret Service. You don't want that out of it?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lorraine, and it gives me great pleasure to be your purser this evening. On behalf of the cabin crew team, I would like to welcome you on board this Emirates flight to Dubai in association with Qantas. Today's aircraft is fitted with the Aero Mobile system, which allows mobile phone calls to and from the aircraft. It will be switched on shortly, only after takeoff. As we are now departing for Dubai, may I please ask you to turn off your mobile phone and ensure it remains switched off until otherwise advised by the cabin crew. Thank you. In a few moments, I will be showing a short video on the safety aspects of this aircraft. Even if you are a frequent flyer, we do recommend that you watch and listen carefully. Thank you.
طائرة الطيران الإمارات بوينغ 777. الرجاء الانتباه بعناية بعرض إجراءات السلامة. نستعد الآن للإقلاع. يرجى إعادة طاولة الطعام ومسند القدمين وشاشة الفيديو الشخصية إلى الوضعية الأصلية، وكذلك إرجاع مقعدك إلى الوضعية المستقيمة. يتعين تخزين الأمتعة في الخزائن العلوية أو أسفل المقعد أمامك. يرجى ربط حزام الأمان عندما تكون إشارة ربط الأحزمة مضاءة. يمكنك تعديل الحزام بسحب الشريط، ويمكنك فكه برفع الحلقة المعدنية. إذا أردت أن تضع
Pulling the mask towards you starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your face and breathe normally. Attend to yourself first and then help others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the brace position appropriate to your seat. There is a life jacket under or to the side of your seat. When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and simple in-seat exercises that will encourage healthy blood circulation and ensure you drink plenty of water. Your crew will now pass through the cabin carrying out a final check. Enjoy your flight with Emirates. If you would like to continue reading, there is a reading light switch in your seat area. Thank you.
Emirates 421, 10, good evening, we're on at runway 21. Runway 21, Emirates 41. Summer group of takeoff. Now wind about slightly at the pressure on 110 diagonal 250 feet, 122 and breeze 19 knots, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, runway 21.
What happened? Mommy's left hers off.
Roger, clearing Emirates 421, passing 1,600, climbing 5,000.
Emirates 421, departures, good evening, identified, climb to flight level 180.
Climb flight level 180, Emirates 421.
الطاقم يتكلمون اللغات العربية، الإنجليزية، الرومانية، اليونانية، الفلبينية، الكورية والأسبانية. تحية طيبة إلى كل أعضاء سكاي وورد المسافرين معنا على هذه الرحلة.
Emirates 41, cancel seat, track direct, Keels, cancel speed restriction.
Speed direct to Keels, Emirates 41.
رحلة اليوم سوف تكسبكم أميالا إضافية إذا رغبتم في الانضمام إلى البرنامج. يوجد تحدث إلى أحد أفراد الطاقم للحصول على بطاقة التسجيل وكسب أميال رحلة اليوم. كما توجد تشكيلة واسعة من منتجات السوق الحرة على متن هذه الرحلة. نرجو من حضراتكم اغتنام هذه الفرصة التصفح بمجلة السوق الحرة والتسوق الموجودة في جيب مقعدكم. إن نظام الجوال والرسائل القصيرة متوفر حاليا على متن الطائرة. نرجو من حضراتكم وضع الجوال في وضع الصامت لتفادي إزعاج المسافرين من حولكم وشكرا. أتمنى لكم رحلة سعيدة معنا اليوم، مع رجاء عدم التردد في طلب المساعدة مني أو من أحد أفراد الطاقم. Once again, a very warm welcome aboard this Emirates flight bound for Dubai. The languages spoken by the cabin crew team this evening include Arabic, English, Portuguese, Italian, Maltese, Korean, Filipino, Greek, Polish, French and Romanian. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our Skyward and Qantas frequent flyer members joining us on this flight. Skyward is Emirates frequent flyer program providing you with rewards and privileges every time you fly. If you would like to join, please speak to one of our cabin crew to receive a distance enrollment card and earn miles on this evening's flight. A wide variety of duty-free is available on this flight. Please make your selection from the duty-free magazine which is located in your seat pocket. Ladies and gentlemen, the phone and internet services will shortly be available. If you wish to use your mobile phone, please ensure that it is set to silent mode as a courtesy to your fellow passengers this evening. Now I'd like to wish you a very pleasant flight with us tonight. If there's anything I or any member of my team can do to assist you, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.
Emirates 41, contact Melbourne Centre on 122.4. Good night.
24, Emirates 41, good night.